To test Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup, start by understanding the basic components involved, including tracking code, data collection, and reporting. The first step is to ensure the Universal Analytics tracking code is installed correctly on your website. This code is usually added to the header or footer of each web page and is crucial for collecting data. Next, verify the tracking code is firing correctly by using the Google Tag Assistant browser extension. This tool helps identify any issues with the tracking code and provides recommendations for improvement. You can also use the Google Analytics Debugger browser extension to check for any errors in the tracking code. After verifying the tracking code, send test data to Google Analytics by navigating through your website. This can be done by visiting different pages, filling out forms, or completing other actions you want to track. Then, check the real-time reports in Google Analytics to see if the data is being collected and reported correctly. In the real-time reports, you should see the test data you generated, including page views, events, and other interactions. If the data is not appearing, check the tracking code and data collection settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. You can also use the Google Analytics API or third-party tools to validate the data and identify any issues. Another important step is to test event tracking, which is used to measure specific actions on your website, such as button clicks or form submissions. To test event tracking, create a test event on your website and then check the Google Analytics reports to ensure the event is being tracked correctly. Finally, test goal tracking, which is used to measure conversions and other important actions on your website. To test goal tracking, complete the action you want to track, such as filling out a form or making a purchase, and then check the Google Analytics reports to ensure the goal is being tracked correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup is working correctly and providing accurate data. This will help you make informed decisions about your website and marketing efforts, and ultimately improve the user experience and drive more conversions.